Okay, in this video we're going to look at where the roots of a quadratic equation, the sum and the product of the roots come from. So I've got my quadratic equation here and it's equal to 0, and I've got my usual a, b and c. Now I'm going to let the roots be alpha and beta. They're just Greek letters, alpha and beta. So because of that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to divide all of this equation through here by a, which is fine. And that's still the same as that, it's still the same. And here are the roots, x minus alpha, one of the roots, and x minus beta for the other root. Let's expand this bracket. So we've got the left-hand side unchanged, and we've expanded, so we've got x minus x times beta, and x times alpha, and it's a negative, so all of that's expanded. Alpha, beta comes here, it's multiplied together and it's positive. And let me just simplify that by factorising the x so that we end up with this. Now I've also got that displayed on the next slide, so that line is where we've got to, and pause it if you want to have a look, if you think I've gone too fast, and just check that I've done all my maths correct. But let's go to the next slide. And here's where we got to on the last slide. Now, we've actually got x squared and x squared. We've got b over ax and minus alpha plus beta x. So these here, take a pen, this bit here equates with this bit here. And likewise, this and this are also the same. So how am I going to write that out? Well, start off with the first one. B over a equals minus alpha over beta. We'd rather write that as alpha plus beta equals minus b over a, which is the same thing. And c over a equals alpha plus beta. So that's basically where the sum of the roots will actually come from. Let me have a nice colour here and just draw the key points so that you can keep them. We've got that's one key point, and that is the other key point.